Hello friends, welcome to our daily stock review. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that you'll never miss another video. I'm Troglodidi from Simple Trade, and today I would like to discuss with you the stock LIGA. The stock recently ran more than 100%. Let's see why. First thing we can notice is the share structure, which doesn't have a lot of space left for dilution. This means that if the stock will run, there won't be a lot of dilutive power to stop it from rising. LIGA is a publicly traded, sustainability-oriented holding company focused on sustainable housing, media and logistic markets. It has an active Twitter page as well as an active Facebook page. The next thing that is worth our attention is the report released on the 18th of October, in which we can see that the revenues of the company became much bigger than before and are now equal to $8.5 million. We can also see that even after all the expenses, the company still has a $4 million net profit. That started the rise the day after the filing was released. We also know that the company is looking for joint ventures and acquisitions that will be profitable and will further increase the company's revenue. Then, just this last Monday, the company returned to the pink current status, leaving it only with high revenues and anticipation of a joint venture. This is a very interesting stock that might prove to be quite beneficial to the trained trader. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe and join our Discord community of Simple Trade. There you will be provided with a strong trading community. We'll be able to learn from nurturing surroundings and who knows, maybe even be among the lucky ones to be able to attend the new OTC course. I wish you all a lot of joy trading and let's have a lovely trading day.